So this one is going to be very straightforward, but so far I gave you an idea of how to mark good support and resistance zones, how to keep changing support and resistance zones. But now, if you really need that golden zone, guys, if you really need that zone which is going to give you pinpoint accuracy, this is the secret that you're going to love. So guys, you understood the fact that there are multiple kind of support and resistance zones. So this is a support resistance zone, right? This is a support zone, for example, and this is a resistance zone, for example. But how do I know that this particular zone is going to have a pinpoint accuracy, and no matter what happens, price is most likely to respect that? What is that one secret? What is that simple factor that determines that this particular zone is going to be respected? And if I have to simplify it, the answer is wide ranged candles. So that is the simple answer. So if there is a support or a resistance zone, if there is a freaking zone from where there's a wide ranged candle made out on 1 hour time frame, remember, I repeat, if there's a support or a resistance zone from where there's a 1 hour candle, 1 hour time frame, wide ranged candle formed, most likely that particular zone is to be given the most amount of importance, because it is very simple. Now let's take a look at these two zones. Okay, now this particular zone, from here this entire move started off. So is it a valid zone? Absolutely, it's not invalid, it's a good zone. But compared to this resistance zone, which one is going to be more strong? Most likely this particular resistance zone is going to be strong, because this resistance zone just gave me a wide ranged downside candle, and that's exactly why price came back down, went up and respected this. Now if the price comes back here, do you really think it's going to respect this zone? Maybe not, I have no idea, but I would rather mark this particular zone over here instead, because from here I can see that there was a wide ranged bullish candle that was made. So this is something that is going to enhance the way you mark your zones by 50 to 100 times, guys. I mean, this will increase your accuracy crazy, because this will give you extreme pinpoint accuracy. So now, instead of marking normal zones, let me just mark out zones from where there were wide ranged candle on 1 hour time frame. All right. So let's say over here from this particular zone, we had a really wide range candle. What the hell is this? From here, we had a really wide ranged candle. Sorry. This is probably news, but yeah. And then from this particular zone, if you see, we had another wide ranged candle over this one. So just look, I mean, this is being respected. Okay. Now, obviously, it's going to break at one point of time. Okay, perfect. So now I got a wide ranged candle on the 1 hour time frame from this particular zone. Okay, so now this is my updated zone. Okay, so now again I got another wide ranged candle from this particular zone. So I'm going to mark this out. Look at that. It respected the zone. Now I got a wide ranged downside candle from this particular resistance zone. So I'm going to mark that. See how this particular zone did not get respected. Okay. Now, this zone got slight respect because this had a wide range candle. Now, once again, we have a wide range candle over here. From this particular zone, this huge red candle is a wide range candle. Let's see what happens. So the support got respected. Price went up. Respected the resistance. Price came down again. Went up, respected the resistance again. We're going to once again now wait for the wide range candle. Now, the wide range candle came up all the way from here. So I'm going to update the resistance zone from here and let's see what happens. So price went up, respected this, consolidated a little bit, but once again did not respect it a lot. From here, price gave a wide range candle, so this would be a support zone that I would update. This resistance, I would like to update it as a support, because from here we had a wide ranged bullish candle. Then after that, I would like to update this as well from a resistance to a support, because from here we got a wide range bullish candle. Let's see what happens. Okay, so here, take a look. This zone got respected, price went up. Then along with this, I would like to mark a resistance zone somewhere over here, because obviously it was a wide range candle. I would also say that this zone can also now be counted as a resistance zone, because we got this particular wide range candle from here. I would like to bring this zone back down here. Not necessarily a wide range candle. Well, actually, yeah, wide range candle, kind of a wide range candle, but let's see. Okay, price went up, somewhat respected that resistance zone. Huge wide range candle from here. So this just strengthens the size of that resistance zone. Price comes down. We keep seeing the wide range candles. Okay, this is a huge move. Perfect. So now up here you see this is a slow and steady move, and then the wide range candle started off. So how exactly are we going to mark? So let's say this is a completely empty area. So I'll wait for a wide range candle to form. Okay, perfect. So now in this particular area, this is the zone that I'm going to mark out. Because from here we got a wide range candle. So this is the zone I'm going to mark out. Price comes down, goes up, takes the resistance, boom, goes down. So guys, almost 80 to 90% zones that I marked out got respected and gave amazingly beautiful moves. This is secret number 2. If you want to mark out zones and you want them with pinpoint accuracy and you really want them to be respected, mark zones with wide range candles. You have to give extreme emphasis to the zones that have formed wide range candles. A zone from where there's a wide range candle that is formed, because that just signifies extreme presence of buyers and sellers, and most probably when the price comes back to retest that particular zone, it is going to be respected most of the times. So this is going to give you an accuracy of 80 to 90%. Obviously the analysis would be right, but execution is a whole different game. Psychology is a whole different game. Once again, we're going to talk about that as well. But guys, this is secret number 2. Extreme emphasis on wide range candles. I'll see you in the third one.